Although you should always undertake study to determine which crops will grow the best and are in the highest demand in your region, these 5 fruit trees are generally considered to be profitable choices. Here are the most profitable fruit farming you should know. Number 5. Plums. If you are interested in growing fruit trees in your garden, plum trees are another excellent option for you to consider. Plum trees, much like other kinds of fruit trees, need to be tended to on a consistent basis in order to ensure that they produce a healthy harvest each year. However, if they are given the proper attention, most plum trees are capable of bearing a healthy crop of fruit for several years in a row. Plum trees can easily be worth several $100s, especially if they are of a high-quality kind. Because of this, they can be highly profitable for anyone who chooses to grow them. Number 4. Cherries. People who are interested in cultivating fruit trees for commercial purposes can also consider cherry trees as a viable choice. These trees bear lovely white blooms in the spring, which are followed by the production of enticing red cherries in the summer and early fall. If they are given the attention and care they need, cherry trees often yield a healthy harvest of fruit each year, making them a very profitable crop to cultivate. Cherry trees, in addition to being wonderful complements to any garden or yard, are also capable of bringing an additional dimension of beauty to any property. Number 3. Grapes. For individuals who want to plant fruit trees for business, cultivating grapes is also a fantastic alternative. If you want the plants to produce a healthy yield each year, you will need to give them some care, just like with other kinds of fruit trees. However, there are numerous varieties of grapevines that can be grown in a variety of climates and don't need a lot of specific care. Therefore, even if you have no experience with grape farming, you can still turn a tidy profit. In fact, a lot of growers discover that turning their grapes into wine is a terrific way to start generating income from their plants. Number 2. Pears. The cultivation of pear trees is not overly difficult and can result in significant financial gain. Many individuals will be able to retain this type of tree for many years with very little maintenance, but the majority of the varieties will require some form of care in order to ensure that they remain healthy and continue to produce fruit. When it comes time to harvest the fruit, you will have a wide selection of options available to choose from because pears can be cultivated in a wide variety of species and variations. Pears, in general, are not particularly difficult to cultivate, and most gardeners may anticipate making a large profit from their efforts to grow pears. Number 1. Apples. It might not be too difficult for you to cultivate apples in your backyard if you live in a warm climate, but it will depend on where you reside. If you want your apple tree to grow fruit, you will need to provide it with a certain amount of attention, but how much of that attention is necessary is primarily determined by the weather in your area. It is possible that you will need to cover the trees during the winter months in order to shield them from the frost if you live in a more northern part of the country. On the other hand, the majority of apple tree kinds are adapted to thrive in most regions of the United States, which means that you should be able to get a respectable harvest every year. As a consequence of this, the majority of people can anticipate making a sizable profit from cultivating apple trees. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.